Good evening, class. Today we are going to learn about complex fractions. Here we see 3 divided by x divided by 1 divided by x minus 5 divided by y. So we need to start out with placing parentheses around the numerator and denominator. In the numerator, we see 3 divided by x, and notice the parentheses around this. And in the denominator of 1 divided by x minus 5 divided by y, and we have parentheses around that as well. So this will read 3 divided by x divided by 1 divided by x minus 5 divided by y. Then we operate the division side by side instead of over top of each other, because we want to get into the situation where we need to multiply by the reciprocal after finding the common denominator in the denominator. So when we see this division taking place sideways, we put a smaller division sign in between the numerator and denominator. So 3 divided by x divided by 1 divided by x minus 5 divided by y. Now we need to get a common denominator for the denominator there in the form of the least common denominator. The least common denominator is yx. So that means in the denominator, we start off multiplying y divided by y times 1 divided by x, because the x is missing a y in the denominator, and then minus 5 divided by y, and this side we want to multiply by x divided by x because we are missing an x in the denominator. So overall, this will read 3 divided by x divided by y times 1 divided by x minus 5 divided by y times x divided by x. So 3 divided by x divided by 1y divided by yx minus 5x divided by yx. So now that the denominators are the same in the denominator, we can bring this together. So 3 divided by x divided by 1y minus 5x divided by yx and then the fraction behind the denominator sign, the fraction behind the division sign, we want to multiply by the reciprocal. So 3 divided by x times yx divided by 1y minus 5x. When we multiply by the reciprocal, we flip the denominator and numerator. Now it will read 3 divided by x times yx divided by 1y minus 5x after we multiply by the reciprocal, and then the x's will cancel out, and so this leaves us with 3y divided by 1y minus 5x. If you need math help, please text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Thank you so much, and let's learn math together.